Welcome to Be Creative. Today, turning trash into treasure. We generate a mountain of trash every single day. But here's the cool part. We can turn that trash into something awesome. Let's get this crafting party started.
First up, we're making a bird feeder out of a plastic bottle. This is a fun and easy project that not only recycles materials, but also helps our feathered friends. Grab an empty plastic bottle. Those 2-liter soda bottles work like a charm. Make sure it's clean and dry before you start. Cut a large hole near the top for the bird seed. This will be the main opening where the birds can access the food. Next, make smaller holes around the bottle for perches. These will allow the birds to comfortably sit while they eat. Now comes the fun part, decorating the bottle however you like. Use paint, markers or stickers to make it colorful and attractive. Once the decorations are dry, fill the bottle with birdseed. Make sure to use a variety of seeds to attract different types of birds. Thread a string through the top of the bottle. This will be used to hang the feeder, so make sure it's secure. Find a nice spot outside to hang your new bird feeder. A tree branch or a hook works perfectly. Boom, your very own recycled bird feeder, ready to attract all the cool birds in the neighborhood. Watch as they flock to enjoy the feast you've prepared for them. Next, let's tackle that mountain of pens and pencils on your desk. It's time to bring some order to the chaos and add a touch of creativity to your workspace. We'll be making a pencil holder using empty toilet paper or paper towel tubes. These everyday items can be transformed into something both functional and stylish. Start by decorating the tubes with paint, markers, or colorful paper. Let your imagination run wild. Use bright colors, patterns, or even stickers to make it uniquely yours. Once decorated, glue the tubes together in a design of your choice. You can create a simple row or an intricate pattern depending on your preference. Allow the glue to dry completely. This step is crucial to ensure your pencil holder is sturdy and durable. And there you have it, a stylish and eco-friendly pencil holder that not only organizes your desk but also adds a personal touch to your workspace. Enjoy your new, clutter-free environment. Create your own music with recycled plastic bottles. Grab a few empty water bottles and cut the bottoms off. Decorate the bottles with bright colors and bold patterns. Punch a hole near the top of each bottle. Thread a string through each hole and tie them together. Hang your wind chime outside and enjoy the music. Parents, transform that giant cardboard box into an epic playhouse for your kids. Cut out windows and doors with a box cutter. Let your kids decorate their new fortress with paint, markers and crayons. Use bottle caps and empty cereal boxes to add furniture and other fun details. Make planters out of old newspapers. Cut the newspaper into strips and roll them up tightly around a pencil or skewer. Glue the tubes together in a circular or rectangular pattern to create your planter. Once dry, add some color with paint. Plant your favorite greenery in your new sustainable planter. Turn an old t-shirt into a reusable tote bag. It's a fun and easy way to give new life to an old piece of clothing while helping the environment. Lay the t-shirt flat and cut off the sleeves and neckline to create a rectangle of fabric. This will form the main body of your bag. Make sure your cuts are even to ensure a neat finish. Turn the t-shirt inside out and glue the bottom edge to create the bottom of your bag. You can also sew it if you prefer a stronger hold. Let the glue dry completely before moving on to the next step. Cut the sleeves into strips for handles. You can make them as long or short as you like, depending on how you want to carry your bag. Attach the strips securely to the top edges of the bag. Let the glue set, and you've got a stylish, eco-friendly tote bag, perfect for groceries, books, or a day at the beach. Enjoy your new upcycled creation and feel good about reducing waste. So there you have it, guys. 6 awesome inventions you can make using everyday recycled materials. By repurposing items, you can create unique and functional inventions while reducing your environmental impact. Let's all work together to build a more sustainable future.